Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's try to learn some colors name. Red color, light pink color, brown color, yellow color, black color, dark pink color. Let's learn alphabet capital letters. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for carrot. D for dolphin. E for eggplant. F for fruits. G for grass. H for head. I for injection. J for jam. K for kindness. L for license. M for meal. N for nation. O for orange. P for pen. Q for question. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for teacher. U for universe. V for vulture. W for wall. X for x-ray. Y for yogurt. Z for zinc. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.